Hey guys, good afternoon हो गया. This is 27th of June. I just got back from the gym at a circuit session. Circuit is a 90-minute weekend session that Cult organizes. So Cult Circuit, which is a strength session, and the dance 90-minute session are two of my favorite sessions at Cult. They don't have dance this week. The 90-minute session is not happening. So tomorrow I'll do yoga and dance. That's so. I try to do yoga like once a week. If I'm not doing the 90-minute dance session, otherwise I don't do yoga. I mean yoga is largely stretching only. So stretching में मुझे कोई खास interest नहीं है. Because stretching we do at the end of every strength class and every dance class anyway. So yeah, so I'm done with gym today, thankfully, because last 2-3 days I've done a lot of sessions. So I'm done with gym today. One 90-minute session, I'm done. I woke up at about, like, I've been up for like 6-7 o'clock. I don't know what. I slept for 5-6 hours and then uploaded the vlog. I've lost one subscriber. There were only 92 subscribers on the channel, but I think at some point this channel should pick up. So I'm still on it. I'm documenting my life otherwise anyway. So that's fine. So whatever point that this channel picks up, if it picks up, it'll really change my life. And if it changes my life, I'll change the life of a lot of people. You know, I mean, this is literally a guy, 45 years old, rebuilding his life, trying to be a full-time writer and comedian. It's a great story to watch. So I think the channel should pick up at some point. This car ahead of me says Guruji. There are a lot of Guruji followers on this car. Says Guruji. And yes, last night I was doing Guruji jokes in the show, and this girl, one of the jokes I did, if you do 6 kirtans of Guruji, then they give you a car. And this girl, she was a Guruji supporter, and she got really stiffened up. She's like, excuse me. She got really offended. I mean, like, these people, like, वहमी जो लोग होते हैं ना, वहमी लोग बड़ी जल्दी ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज वो वहमी है, और वहम हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ ईगो अटैच टू इट, बिकॉज ये लोग वहमी हैं, इनका वहम को सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, वहम का कोई इलाज नहीं है. So ideally these people shouldn't just be there in show, but the thing is, I know if I record these jokes and put them out, all of these idiots will get really offended. So वहम है, वहम का कोई इलाज नहीं. Anyway, so then I've been up since morning. Then Mamta came late, about 10:15, and again pocha laga nahi aaj, but whatever, do I really care? But otherwise she's not late. Today for some reason she was late, and I've had a slice of bread since morning. I weighed 59.8 in the morning. Yesterday I weighed 59.4, which was the lowest I've weighed. I have 4 more days, including today, to reach 58. I am still hopeful I'll reach it. 59.8, I was there in the morning. Then I had a slice of bread with peanut butter, and then I hit the gym. And I had black tea, and then I hit the gym. So I'm hoping I would be around 59 point something range. And I have 4 days, including today, to hit 58. I'm pretty close. So I might just do it. It's been an impossible feat to achieve. If I manage to hit it, it's been an impossible. Right now, even if I'm 59.4, that's 12 kilos lost since December. December I was 71.4. If I'm 59.4 yesterday, which I was, then it's 12 kilos lost since December. So that's a lot of weight loss in December already. If I hit 58, that'll be 13 kilos lost, and I'll have hit my target. So yeah, so I'll just go. I'll take a shower, then I'll have lunch, because I've had only slice of bread. I'm really hungry right now. And then there are 2 shows in the evening. Tomorrow I'm recording a podcast with this company called TVT Talks. They invited me for a podcast. So there are 2 sessions I'm doing with them, one around comedy and one around inner happiness. So they sent me a bunch of questions, great questions. I didn't expect such good quality questions from them, because I don't know, I mean, like, I just spoke to this girl and she's like not so smart when she spoke to me for the first time. That's what I thought. But these questions that she sent are really good quality questions. So that podcast is going to be good as well. I need to decide what to wear. So I'll see what to wear. I need to get my body hair trimmed, which I haven't had for the last 45 days. I got them done in the May first week of May, and then I got my tattoos on the 12th of May, and I was not supposed to get body hair trim for 45 days. 45 days of finishing tonight. To 12th of May to 27th of June, 45 days of finishing tonight. So I can get my body hair trim tomorrow onwards anytime. But tomorrow is a podcast, so I think I won't have my body hair removed till then. But whatever, I'll wear something which doesn't show my body hair. But I mean, I don't like these jungly hair on my hair anymore. Since I started getting body hair trimmed, I like my body without body hair. So I'll get them too. Yeah, that's largely it on my mind. Of course, I'm bothered that one follower, one subscriber unsubscribed. But 92 to 91 doesn't make a lot of difference, you know. Eventually it grows to thousands, you know, that's a goal. So it's okay. Cool. There's some administrative shit on the side which I'm trying to attend to. So that'll happen, which I don't want to talk about. It's not fun. You don't want to hear the bullshit that I have in my life. Is there. So I need to attend to it. Cool. I wish you a good day. I wish you a good evening. I wish you a good night. Whatever time of day you're watching this, please try to be happy. Try to be happy. I'm trying. That's the whole point of this vlog. I'm trying to be happy. It's my story trying to be happy. And when you're listening to me, I want you to be happy as well. Just remember, there's a guy in the world, Amar Vani, and he wants you to be fucking happy. Hey guys, oh god, life is so fucking hard, man. Like, it's so difficult to deal with some people. It's just impossible to deal with some people. Like, there's some people in my life just out there to, like, every conversation you make with them, they're just out there to, it seems to make every conversation difficult. Just make life harder, right? It's like they're just freaking out. Like, whatever I say, they just tell the opposite. Anyway, it's just hard sometimes. Anyway, whatever. So I recorded the last clip in the morning. Since then, I've been at home. I went out for a while. I had a sub. I shouldn't have had a sub, but I was really hungry. So I had a sub. The shows are on tonight. It's really good audience today after a long while. So like, the first show is about 20 something people, the second show is about 8 something people, so that'll eventually by 11 it'll be like 15 something people. So the audience size is good today after a long while. Otherwise the audience size has been fluctuating for the last some time, but tonight is good. So I'm looking forward to the shows now. I have a bunch of jokes to do, some to test out, so audience is good today. So let's hope the shows go well, make me happy, because making people laugh really makes me happy. So hope that goes well. And there's some administrative stuff I'm trying to attend to. There's tomorrow I have yoga and dance in the morning. After that, 1, 2, 3 I have a podcast. So busy morning, busy early afternoon tomorrow. And then after that, then I have administrative shit to attend. So let's see how tomorrow goes. For now, I'm just walking here, and after that, I'll head to Guftagu. There are people right next to me. They're talking. Alright, bye. Fuck. You know, guys, kind of funny how we look at ourselves in the mirror. Like, some of us, when we look at ourselves in the mirror, we look at with appreciation. Sometimes we look at ourselves with anger when we're angry with ourselves, and sometimes we look, like, depending on how we're feeling at a certain moment, we look at ourselves in the mirror. Like, there's in Gallery Market, there's this in the washroom, there's a full view mirror, and there's this uncle who just entered, and he looked at himself, and let's say the mirror is on my right side, and he looked at himself like, he almost looked at himself as if, who the fuck are you? And for like 10 seconds he was looking at himself with that expression. Ye kaun hai bhai? Hey guys, I thought I'd do the day review now because I'm already very sleepy. There's one show to go. The 9 PM show is almost finished, and the second show 11 PM also is decent time. I'm very relieved because the last couple of weeks the count was pretty low. Today both the shows are almost full, so pretty happy. I did a circuit session in the morning, which is a 90-minute gym session, one of my favorite sessions. I mean, the dance session is the favorite session I have, the 90-minute dance session. This is my second favorite session. The circuit is really good. I went to sector 57 cult today, which is kind of depressing, but the session is good. The trainer was very good, and there were a couple of people who come to sector 56 who had acquaintances, so that's good. Rest of the day, I think besides the show, I didn't write. I think I wrote a new premise which I'll be working on for a new game. So that I'm happy with. I really killed absolutely in the 9 PM show. I did 10 minutes. I really left it brilliant. I did really well. So I'm happy with that stuff. And I don't know if I'm doing 11th or I'm a little tired, but I might do it. So let's see. So overall decent day. I need to check what's my weight tomorrow morning. I just had salad. So largely okay. Good night, bye. Bye.